Input devices are generally used to provide data to a computer. There are following input devices which are generally used to provide input to the computer system. Uh, Following are some most important input devices which are used to a computer: keyboard, mouse, joystick, pen, light pen, trackball, microphone, magnetic ink card reader, optical character reader, barcode reader, optical mark reader. What is keyboard? Keyboard is the most common and very popular input device which help to input data to the computer. The layout of the keyboard is like that of traditional typewriter, although there are some additional keys provided for performing additional functions. Keyboard is the keyboards are of two size, 84 keys or 101 or 102 keys. But now keyboards with 104 keys or 108 keys are also available for Windows and Internet. The keys on the keyboard are as follows. Typing keys. These keys includes the letter key A to Z and digit keys 0 to 9, which generally give the same layout as that of the typewriters. Numeric keypad. It is used to enter the numeric data or cursor movement. Generally, it consists of a set of 17 keys that are laid out in the same configuration used by most adding machines and calculators. Function keys. The 12 function keys are present on the keyboard, which are arranged in a row at the top of the keyboard. Each function key has a unique meaning and is used for some specific purpose. Control key. These keys provide cursor and screen control. It includes four functional arrow keys, control keys, and also includes home and insert, delete, page up, page down, and control alternate escape. Special purpose keys. Keyboard also contains some special purpose keys such as enter, shift, caps, lock, num, lock, spacebar, tab, and print screen. Mouse. What is mouse? Mouse is the most popular pointing device. It is also famous cursor control device having a small palm size box with a round ball at its base, which senses the movement of the mouse and sends corresponding signals to the CPU when the mouse button are pressed. Generally, it has two buttons called the left and right button, and a wheel is present between the buttons. The mouse can be used to control the position of the cursor on the screen, but it cannot be used to enter text into the computer. Joystick. Joystick is also a pointing device which is used to move the cursor position on a monitor screen. It is a stick having a spherical ball at its both lower and upper ends. The lower spherical ball moves in a socket. The joystick can be moved in all four directions. The function of the joystick is similar to that of a mouse. It is mainly used in computer aided designing, CAD, and playing computer games. Light pen. Light pen is a pointing device similar to a pen. It is used to select a display menu item or draw pictures on the monitor screen. It consists of a photocell and a optical system placed in a small tube. When the tip of a light pen is moved over the monitor screen and the pen button is pressed, is photocell sensing element detects the screen location and sends the corresponding signal to the CPU. Trackball. Trackball is an input device that is mostly used in notebook or laptop computer instead of a mouse. This is a ball which is half inserted, and by moving fingers on the ball, the pointer can be moved. Trackball. Trackball is an input device that is mostly used in notebook or laptop computer instead of a mouse. This is a ball which is half inserted, and by moving fingers on the ball, the pointer can be moved. Since the whole device is not moved, a trackball requires less space than a mouse. A trackball comes in various shapes, like a ball, button, or a square. Scanner is an input device which works more like a photocopy machine. It is used when some information is available on paper, and it is to be transferred to the hard disk of the computer for further manipulation. Scanner captures images from the source which are then converted into a digital form that can be stored on the disk. These images can be edited before they are printed. Digitizer. Digitizer is an input device which converts analog information into digital form. Digitizer can be convert a signal from the television or camera into a series of numbers that could be stored in a computer. They can be used by the computer to create a picture or whatever the camera had been pointed at. Microphone. Microphone is an input device to input sound that is then stored in a digital form. Microphone is used for various applications such as adding sound to a multimedia presentation or for mixing music. Magnetic ink card reader. Magnetic ink card reader input device is generally used in bank as there are large number of checks to be processed every day. The bank's code number and check number are printed on the check with a special type of ink that contains optical character reader. It is another input device used to read a print text. OCR scans the text optically, character by character, converts them into a machine readable code, and stores the text on the system memory. Barcode reader. Barcode reader is a device used for reading barcoded data. Barcode data is generally used in labeling goods, numbering the books, etc. It may be a 100 scanner. It may be a hand-led scanner or may be embedded in a stationary scanner. Optical mark reader is a special type of optical scanner used to recognize the type of mark made by pen or pencil. It is used where one out of a few alternatives to be selected and marked. It is specially used for checking the answer sheet or examination having multiple choice question.